Hi, this is Karen from Eesa Bakery, and we wanted to show you a little of our space before the walls go up. So come on in. Let's see. So here is our space. When you walk in, one of the first things you'll see, which we love, is big windows into our kitchen that's all along this area in the middle. And here you'll get to see all of our bakers making their pies, their pastries, their breads, mixing, prepping sandwiches for lunchtime, and making our soups. This half will be our main seating area for most days of the week. We're gonna have a lot of high top tables where you can come with friends and sit down over a meal, having a bite of breakfast, having some lunch, or just have some sips of coffee. And at the far end, I'm most excited about is we were able to fit in a fireplace where we'll also have some cozy seating. So imagine you have a beautiful fireplace right here. We're gonna have a bunch of some couches and some soft seating also here with a nice big area rug to keep you cozy. One of our largest areas is dedicated to our kitchen. So let me give you a general overview of the layout. Over here, we're gonna have our sandwich prep, our soup prep, our stove, and that's gonna kind of be working in this little section. Behind that is our washroom for our dishes. On this whole row here, we have our mixers and our tables for getting the doughs mixed and prepped. We're gonna be having then in the center a series of tables that will be for all of our different production. Over here, we're gonna have our croissants, the sheeted, laminated, rolled out, cut and prepped. Further down, we'll be processing all of our sourdough and our other bread products. A lot of those will finally go into our refrigerated sections, into our giant proofing machines, which will help us to have those doughs rise at a good rate. And finally, we're gonna have two giant ovens dedicated to baking. One will be for our croissants and other pastry that are similar. And our final oven, which is a large stone deck oven, will be able to give us those nice crunchy loaves of bread that we're looking forward to deliver. And as we move into this direction, we have our reservable event space, as well as, once again, that counter where you can order your sandwiches, your soups, your salads, your coffee drinks, teas, and other beverages. So this is kind of a main central area. One really cool thing when we bought this building is we didn't realize that there were these upper window casements up here. And we have just so much extra natural light coming in that was just hidden from this building because it was covered up for so many decades. It's really cool to restore this building and to see all of this beautiful architecture that was lost for a while.